Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Hinsdale, local, and long distance movers near me. We make certain your long distance move happens in a timely manner, free from worry. We need to move 100 miles away or even 1,500 miles away, we can help. With us, you receive all the best moving services to make relocating a lot simpler. In addition to loading, transportation, and unloading, our team also offers a lot of the other moving services, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Working with a local Illinois moving company could seem unnecessary initially. A local moving company delivers many benefits, which can make it well worth the cost. You get the benefit of saving time on your local move, which might be well worth it. Minimizing the heavy lifting also offers you one more benefit you get from using the right local movers. Our moving crew can make it easy to make your new location without having nearly as much stress. 3 Movers understands how to improve your move. No matter how big your move is, we can get it done fast. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Hinsdale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.